Here are some tips on road traffic regulations. The licensing authority is responsible for keeping and maintaining data on motor vehicle registrations, so do not change registrations without their approval. To register your vehicle, apply to the licensing authority, and you will be given a form to apply at a fee. The authority ascertains the vehicular net weight and the weight of each axle. The licensing authority shall not register a motor vehicle where the vehicle does not apply to the particular type or class of motor vehicle in the country. The licensing authority shall not register a motor vehicle that does not satisfy the requirements for a roadworthy certificate. The licensing authority shall not register a right-hand steering motor vehicle without the approval of the Minister for Transport of Ghana. The licensing authority shall not register or change the use of a motor vehicle older than 8 years old for passenger transportation. The licensing authority shall determine the freight or load the motor vehicle is constructed to carry.